Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. As you guys can see, or just saw before, I turned off all of my GPU mining rigs and my one little ASIC here. You guys probably know why I'm doing this, because I want to rearrange how I'm doing my shelves. And basically, I wasn't happy with how I had my GPUs placed. Basically, the heat was coming off this way. So the heat from the GPUs was coming out from the back here, or front, depending how you look at it. Basically the I/O shield. Okay, so the heat was coming out of this way, and that was happening on all of the GPUs here. So it didn't make any sense having them facing this way, and the heat was basically going out into the basement here, causing it to be really hot. And you guys saw the temperature earlier. It's now 90 Fahrenheit, so it's actually a lot better in here now that all my rigs are off. It feels so nice right now, but I'm really sad that I have my GPU rigs off. But let's get going. I want to start moving my shelves in a line, okay? So I'm thinking of moving my shelves over here, and I was talking with a few people, especially Not Your Normal Miner, because he also has a crypto mining garden, like basement type of thing as well. And he told me to get as close as I can to wherever the exhaust fan is gonna go. Oh, by the way, I am gonna replace this inline fan. I don't think it really works. Even during the hottest day, the Fahrenheit is like, it barely made any difference when I didn't have this inline fan before, okay? So it still feels kind of hot in here, but I did order a 18-inch exhaust fan that does about almost 2,000 CFM. So I'm hoping that will be a little bit better compared to this 740 CFM one. So we'll see. Once I have that, I'll make another video regarding that. But anyways, I want the shelves maybe over in a line this way, and then basically all the heat will then be going off into this corner, so not into the basement like before. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now. Let me go ahead and move the shelves. Actually, I totally forgot to move the Star Wars stuff out. Oh man, these are my brothers, and these are actually pretty cool, so I'm just gonna put them on the table over here. Oh yeah, the TIE Fighter is really cool. This thing is actually massive. Look at this thing, holy smoke. Actually, I'm gonna put this in my crypto mining studio. You guys may have saw that video earlier. I just put this table in, and hey, that looks pretty good on my new table. That looks awesome. All right, this guy, this is the last one. This is the X-Wing, and I hope none of the pieces fall off. Actually, some of the pieces fell off when I brought it here a long time ago. I'm just gonna put it over here for now. Oh yeah, hey, that's really cool. Look at that. All right, so let's see. Anything else I need to take off? Yeah, I took off the PDU. I took out the internet as well. And my PDU and all my cables are there. Oh, so many cables. And oh, I actually forgot some of these little guys. You know what? I'm gonna turn off this fan because we don't need this. And we probably don't need the inline fan anymore. Oh, it's way quieter now. That's much better. Okay, so I'm gonna move the first shelf, and I tried to move it now, but oh yeah, they're actually locked by these little tiny things here, so I gotta take these out. All right, looks like there's no more braces. Okay, perfect. So, and let's do it this way. Okay. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking. Right there. And you know, I need a bit of space to also walk in here and maybe go on the other side just to work on it. I think that's good. Actually, I just realized I have my Aeon stickers facing inside. I need to face my Aeon stickers the other way. That looks better. Okay, now the next shelf, let's do the second one. Move it over here. And let's just see what it looks like so far. Obviously it won't look as cool as I had it before because I had it in a line here. But how does that look? I mean, for now, I just want to see what it looks like. And yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm hoping all the cold air will come from behind, basically, and all the heat is going to be extracted out from this angle over here on this side, and hopefully out the window there. I guess it's a good test. We'll see what the temperatures will be once I have all the rigs running and everything. Okay, let me put the last shelf over here. Oh man, I gotta move my Radeon 7 rig. 1 second. Okay, so I actually got rid of a bunch of other stuff as well. The fan and the chair that was sitting there, and some white little shelving thing. I moved it all over there for now, just temporary. And let's move this shelf over here now. And let's see what it looks like. Look at that. Okay. Well, okay, so enough space for me to walk in, and all the fans, all the GPUs would then face basically in this direction, and hopefully the heat will be extracted out this window here. So I think that may work, hopefully. I'm assuming this wall is gonna get extremely hot because basically heat is gonna be blasting this wall. But I hope that inline fan will work a little bit better. I don't know. I have that 8-inch fan coming, so I think that should be much better. And yeah, look at that. Okay, so I basically just swapped my shelves moving to that direction. And if you think I need to have my shelves further out or further in, let me know down below. And I am going to get rid of my desk over here and computer, and I'm wanting to put another shelf like right here, basically to block off and make like a corner of heat going in this way. So I actually do need to buy another shelf, and I'm thinking I will need a longer shelf because I am gonna have my other PDU out here. Okay, so speaking of PDU, let me go get my extension cable here. All right, so this is a 30 amp 250 volt extender for an L630 PR. Yeah, let me open this up here. Alright, so this cable is pretty thick, but yeah, you guys can see this is the end that goes into the 30 amp breaker, and then this other end goes into the PDU, which is my triplet one that's sitting over there. Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm actually gonna put this in now, and I gotta figure out how I'm gonna reroute it essentially to my mining shelves over here and where I wanna place the PDU. So give me 1 second. Locking too. Okay, so guys, I got my PDU in, and I actually moved out my mining shelves a little bit more because I do want to add another shelf here I mentioned before, and also another PDU. Okay, so I pushed back another like 2 feet this way so that I can essentially put a longer shelf over here. Okay, and I need a little walkway, so I'm planning on walking like this little one tile here, and I'm gonna put the other shelf right here. So I'm gonna go to Costco, get another shelf here, and essentially have some more just other rigs facing this way so that all the heat, all the air would be going through here, and then hopefully essentially out that window. This is probably gonna be multiple part videos, so if you guys are watching, I'm sorry, but I'll have them the next day or so. Okay, so all right, so the PDU is in at the top, normal place where I had it before. I got the cable going that way, all the way down here, and actually we're probably gonna have to get it more situated better, and maybe I can nail some stuff in the wall so I can have this elevated. I'll do that offline. And yeah, I'm gonna plug this in now, and then we'll see how much slack we have going to the breaker here essentially. So let me plug it in. I'm gonna make sure I do it right. Okay, there we go. And it locks. Okay, perfect. All right, we'll see how much slack we have, and we should have actually quite a bit. Yeah, we do have quite a bit of slack now. So I'm gonna do that offline, figure out how I'm gonna, you know, get it rerouted up there. I wanted to make sure I can have enough room to walk in here. Well, actually, it doesn't really matter because I'm not using this area for mining anyway. That 12 by P104 rig is gonna come out anyway, and I'm actually not sure where I'm gonna put that. Probably out in front of those shelves because this 12 by P104 rig is 2 Veta frames high, and that's not gonna fit on these shelves, but that will be for another video. So much to do. And okay guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Part 2 of the video will come up the next day. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'm gonna be adding all my rigs back in, getting them turned on. Oh, I gotta figure out the internet stuff as well. Oh man, I think I need longer cables. Okay, my plans may be thwarted here. All right guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you guys think this was a good idea or a bad idea. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.